Hi, Victoria here from Social Media Insights. Just a nice quick video for you to show you how to download a video from Canva. So go into your Canva, go into Create Design, and I'm just going to design an Instagram post because it's nice and easy and square, just to show you how we do it. And then you can either go down onto the left-hand side and you can click on videos. You can go up and you can find a niche or a color of your branding, and then all you do is drop it down and then obviously put your logo or put your text over the top. And then on the top right hand side, click download. And if you don't have this download beta, just click on the side and it will give you a few different options of how to download it. So I'm just going to do that without the video. So if you wanted to add in an animation, we'd go into elements on the left-hand side. And we do this because we know that Facebook and Instagram, the videos get seen more than anything else. So having animation and having something on your post moving, on your picture moving, is a really, really great idea. So even if you don't have something moving there, go down to stickers, have a look at see all. You might like to type in your niche, or you might like to just find something that you would like to put on here. What can we put onto this gorgeous girl? We can put on that we like her. We might like to move that up. We might like to move it around. We might like to make it a bit smaller. So we've got something that is moving on our page that looks a little bit interesting, and we can stop that thumb scrolling. Okay, obviously making sure that it's all branded as you would, and then obviously go up to the top. Oh, sorry, before you do that, you might like to title your post so that once you've made 1,000 posts, you can go back and have a look at the ones that worked, and then you can just reuse them instead of remaking them. And you can click on the download. That comes up with video beta for me, but if you want to, you can choose to have that in a different image format, just like that. Normally I'd just do video. You could do GIF as well, because GIF rotates and continues going often. It doesn't just stop. And you can also do animation. So I want to show you animation as well. So I'm actually going to get rid of that to show you animation. And if we just had text, I'll add text. Oops, I've done it twice. Add text there. So, oh, sorry. I'm not doing very well this morning. Here we go. So adding text there. So I run social media. Let's do that capital because it's the name. Media Insights. And then we'd move that. I would put it into the font that I like. Things are a bit slow today, aren't they? Okay, let's put it into that one. That sounds good. Let's make it a bit bigger. Oh, that's smaller. Let's make it a bit bigger. That's great. We can make it bigger by either changing the number or just moving that out. And we can change the color. I've got my branding here, so I know exactly what to do. And then you might pop on your logo or something like that. But the reason why I wanted to show you this is because you can even make these move. So you would click download, and where it says PNG, you would click and you'd scroll down to animation. You can only do this on Pro, and if you're one of my members, you get Pro 50% off, so you might want to have a look at that because Pro is amazing. And then you can click through these and you can see how they move on your post. Okay, so just another very, very easy way of making your posts stand out a little bit more than anybody else. You can change the timing, you can change the format, and then you would just click download. That download would go into your downloads file, and then all you need to do is pop that into a post. I hope that was useful for you. Let me know if you've got any other questions, and here to help. Okay, have a great day. Bye.